it's different here. It's just a completely different world.
I love Johnson Wales. Everyone here is just so friendly, great, hardworking, ambitious. I've never met so many ambitious people.
Johnson & Wales, I have to say, is real. It's just real.
I feel like every person I've met in class is a hard worker. They have like a motivation or a drive about them.
The variety of faculty here is very exciting, from really impressive scholars in their field to practitioners to everyone in between. They did not come here to bolster their publication credentials. They've come here first and foremost to teach.
If there's a question on your mind and you need to ask them something, they're very open, and it's a tight relationship. They care about you as a student.
They're like your mentors, basically. They love us.
If you want to be among the ambitious, driven, friendly people, come to Johnson Wales. It's the best decision you'll ever make.